COVID-19 restrictions have been lifted. As of the 8th of June, all hairdressers, barbers, spas, domestic workers will be allowed to get back to work. The announcement came today from Prime Minister Dr. Rowley. Khrystal Wilson has more in this report.
This country will see more economic activity soon. This as Trinidad and Tobago moves into Phase 4 of the lifting of COVID-19 restrictions. Prime Minister Rowley on Saturday at the Diplomatic Centre gave the go-ahead for barbers, hairdressers, spas and domestic workers to head back out to work on June 8th. And not to be left out, the Prime Minister also delivered some good news for maxi and taxi drivers.
And of course, we would, from the 8th, allow public transportation to operate at a 75% capacity. So all public transport, whether it's private or the public sector transport. So there's more public transport available from June 8th.
Come the 12th of June, if all goes well and there is no sign of COVID-positive cases in the country, the Prime Minister said places of worship will be allowed to hold services, but this will come with restrictions. One of the main requirements, worshippers must wear masks.
Keep the protocols for sanitation, sanitizing. Keep the restrictions for persons separating by occupying where pews are available, alternate pews at arm's length. And that means that depending on the size of the facility, that will determine the number of persons involved.
And from June 22nd, subject to further confirmation, Prime Minister Rowley said members of the public service will return to work with complete normalcy while maintaining the public health guidelines for sanitizing and social distancing. There are also a number of other activities carded to resume on June 22nd.
With respect to recreation, we expect that if our numbers continue on the same trajectory as they are now, that by June 20th, we should be able to be reopening our bars, our gyms, our casinos, our cinemas, and have in-house dining at restaurants and have sporting activities taking place.
Taxi drivers can also expect that from June 22nd, they can ply their cars for hire at maximum capacity. Khrystal Wilson, TTT News.